Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those being for the first time, my name is Mercy Enujiko. Welcome to my channel. Here's a quick visit to Pop Beach Ilashe Lagos. The only way to get here is by entering a boat, so we decided to enter one, and you have arrived at your destination. Welcome to Pop Beach, the ultimate destination for sun, sand, and endless fun in Ilashe, Lagos. Let me point a delightful picture of what awaits you at this tropical paradise. As you step into the pristine shores of Pop Beach, you'll be greeted with pearly white sand and crystal clear turquoise waters. Now, this is what the room looks like. Yeah, when I first entered this room, I was like, why is it looking like this? But the rooms were created with, normal materials. The curtains were created with normal materials I would see every single day. And it made it feel like a camp. I feel like I was in a camp, and the experience was amazing. Be wondering what the red balloons are doing in the ocean. Don't worry, you get to find out soon. So while going to the beach this evening, I decided to video the sun. This is what the sun looks like. It's so beautiful. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Abianto.